Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm sharing an easy, soft and fluffy homemade pancake recipe. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a few drops of vanilla essence, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Whisk until everything is well combined. Add 1/2 cup milk and mix well. Then add 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, mix well, smooth lump-free pourable batter. Please, if you liked the video, share it. Your support means the world to us. Next, add 2 tablespoons oil, 30 milliliters. Please rate this video and leave a comment. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Lightly grease the pan and pour the batter. Cook over low to medium heat. Cover it and cook for 30 seconds. When bubbles appear on the surface, flip the pancake and cook the other side for 20 to 30 seconds until golden. Repeat the same process with the remaining batter. Look how soft, fluffy, and airy these pancakes are. If you enjoyed this recipe, enjoy with honey.